afternoon to everyone present here. Respected Chairman Tarunanand Sir, beloved patrons Professor Elora Ma'am and Professor Vijay Tandon Sir.
Would like to start off the ceremony with the lighting of the lamps by our Chairman, Executive Board members and patrons.
Firstly, welcome to the Model United Nations. It's a great joy and happiness to see the kind of effort that you've all put in. I could see you working till wee hours of the night, and I'm sure the entire Sunday was spent doing that. And I was driving around the campus and I was seeing people in suits, and I'm like, Sunday ko suit? I know we have some form of asking you to come formally dressed, but Sundays wasn't on the agenda. So great to see the kind of effort, the enthusiasm which each of you have done, and I wish you tons of success for this Model United Nations. It's very close to our heart, so I wish you all tons of success, and I'm looking forward to the wonderful resolutions that you will pass. Enjoy every moment of it. Thank you.
Albert Einstein has once said, we cannot solve our problems with the same thinking that we used when we created them. Rightly so, the theme of UBS Month 2021 is Revenues for Ideas. With this, I welcome you all to Month 2021. May the force be with you all. Thank you.
Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. I'm glad that I have been given this opportunity to speak on the journey of UBS MUN 2021. I believe this is the moment of pride and accomplishment for me to put the emotions and the thoughts of the journey of my team to words in this conference.
If you can't fly, you run. If you can't run, you walk. If you can't walk, just crawl. And even if you can't crawl, just drag. Drag till the point you can go far, so that when you look back, you see the long journey you have covered and you are proud of what you have become and the distance you have covered. Believe in yourself, there's a lot inside you. Keep dragging till the point you never give up. And most importantly, there shouldn't be a point you look back. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I, Sanat Puri, the Secretary General of the Universal Business School Model United Nations, hereby declare the conference open. Incredible team who's out there. Can you all please join me? These are the people of the show. Can we have a huge clap for them? More than an organizing committee members, they are my family. I've found a new home out here. And you guys mean me a lot. Always remember that. I'll be always there whenever you need me. Thank you so much for making this dream come true.
Well, special thanks to all my faculty colleagues for chairing 3 different committees. And I'm sure you will agree, without their presence and without their wisdom, the agenda would stand to be incomplete. So big round of applause for them. And as I keep saying, excitement is good, but patience is the key. I'm sure others would love to hear this. And now finally, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the huge efforts of the core team and the organizing team for conducting this UBS Month 2021 and giving us such a grand platform by working behind the scenes. At this point of time, if I have to speak from the bottom of my heart, the only quote I recall, and I believe they proved it, is work in silence and let success make the noise. Thank you so much.
I should say that beyond being the panel member, I thoroughly enjoy the discussion. That's one thing we should and some of them able to narrate it far better than others, the arguments, okay, irrespective of it is far or against, but the way they put it across and took a little bit of leadership in that whole process.
Out of the night, when the spoils are there, I started searching myself and I realized all of a sudden that they are all in myself. Under the fell clutch of circumstance, I have neither bowed nor cried aloud, and beyond the burgeoning of chance, I have not given nor cried aloud. It matters not how straight the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Continue this journey. Thank you.
I'm not too good at poetry like Professor Nilanka, but I must learn from him. So this Akala Chelore, thanks if he referred to me, and if I can be that great where I can walk on by myself, but that's not what United Nations is all about. Nobody is alone and we are connected. I don't know what else can I say excepting thank you everybody. Thank you Professor Vijay, thank you Professor Elora to have conceptualized it and the way it was implemented. Oh my God. One more special thanks to this lady Nikita, the way she conducted it and the smoothness with which things went. There were other support people, I don't remember the names, but she was throughout there. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed it and I hope you all did. And whoever has requested that they should be more often, why not? But there could be different shades of this. Thank you.
The point is, all this sharing that has happened, it will someday connect with you. When you grow in your career, in your life somewhere, all this events which are happening in your college will connect with you, and it will make you feel that this was something that I contributed over there, and from there I can proceed further. So keep on looking for this different ideas, and if you have to create a knowledge society in India, this kind of idea, this kind of forum has to come into picture. We can't live with the books, we can't live with Google. We have to enter into debates, we have to enter into idea sharing, we have to share knowledge. Thank you.
I really didn't want this event to come to an end because it was really going great. So, first of all, I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. Tarun sir, for the approval of the event and for always being a motivation to me and to all of us. Secondly, our beloved patrons, Elora ma'am and Vijay sir, for believing in us and for giving us all and every type of support we ever needed, and for being the best motivation possible.
I hope we did you proud. I literally hope we did you proud. There was a mission, and more than a mission, I always used to tell my team one thing, that I don't care what you do, I need to see both my patrons smiling. That one smile would be enough for me to go out of this college and get graduated. I don't care how you do it, but I need it. This conference is successful, at least for me. The things that we envisioned has exceeded, and that's all what matters. Thank you so much everyone for turning up to UBSMN 2021 and making it a grand success. Just clap for yourselves, guys. To my beloved faculty members who served as the executive board members, thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedules and making sure that you contributed a lot in shaping the diplomats there in the committee and enriching the experience for all of us. You mean a lot to us, sir. Thank you so much, sir. To my core committee, I have shouted a lot for past 2 days, and that was all because I wanted perfection at work. Thank you so much for bearing with me. Thank you so much for listening to all my rants, and most importantly, making it all together all the way up. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, with a heavy heart, I have to do this, and probably you all can declare the conference closed with me because you all have made it happen. So repeat after me as I go and say we declare the conference open. With the powers and responsibilities given to me as the Secretary General of UBSMN 2021, we declare this conference closed. Thank you so much everyone for being a part of UBSMN 2021.